all that masculine energy, the impact it had on people, on the land. And of course then we had colonisation afterwards. And of course we lost on Gaeilge, our language as well, which had the secret. And with so many people out there working now, unearthing the secret, unearthing the magic in the language, because it's all there in the language, it's all there in the land. Again, such masculine energy that everything was just to be destroyed and only to be used for profit. We have destroyed the land. Let's retell better stories. Our daughters deserve better, we deserve better. And as a nation, the Gaels, let's rise again in equality, much more where the Breton laws were before colonisation, but I think we could even surpass that with the right scéalta. So it's a good time to be alive. We need a different story now.